Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check oil level Volvo XC40 step by step. Park on level ground, turn off the engine, and wait 5 minutes before you open the hood and locate the dipstick. Use a clean cloth, remove the dipstick fully, wipe it, and reinsert it fully to get an accurate reading. Read the oil mark against the indicators and note whether topping up is required. Start by releasing the hood latch inside the cabin and then the safety catch under the front of the hood. Look for a yellow or orange dipstick handle near the engine. That is your oil level indicator. If you have trouble finding it, keep it simple and consult the owner manual or a quick online diagram for the Volvo XC40 layout. Always ensure the car is cool enough to work around safely before proceeding. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation. There's a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which I found surprisingly motivating while working on practical projects like car maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to explore it. Now let's get back to the video. Pull the dipstick out and wipe it clean with a cloth, then push it back in fully and remove it again to read the level. Note where the oil film ends relative to the low and full marks, and never overfill. Add small amounts of the recommended oil and recheck. Observe oil color and smell for signs of contamination, and always dispose of rags and used oil responsibly to protect the environment and your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.